Oh, I have to make a Corey candle. I totally forgot. What's up, Chainsaw?
Nothing. What you doing?
None. So if you guys didn't know, I'm making a Corey candle with the smelly cat. I call it smelly cat.
Smelly cat.
Smelly
You should
cat.
change that a bit if you do that, because I'm worried you'll get like copyrighted or something.
Oh, that's true.
Someone was saying do a lava lamp and under fucking stand.
I don't know. Part of you is that cat, though.
I know.
Yeah, I mean, I did candles of Marilyn Monroe and stuff.
Nobody said nothing yet.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I guess Grumpy Cat is kind of everywhere, isn't she?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do that. I don't care. It's your choice.
I mean, you can't say Corey without Stinky Cat. You just can't. They go hand in hand.
Do I sound okay? My phone's really hot again, and when I go on panel on my phone, it always scratches.
Well, that's not good.
I don't know. That's
Yeah, and it's a Stinky Cat that says right.
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 I know.